Hi, my friends. Today we are going to discuss and solve the 124 paper of ACC examination 2021, which has recently held in February. And if you have not watched the previous 121, 122, and 118 series solved question paper, it is already uploaded on my channel. You must watch if you are preparing for ACC examination or you are thinking to prepare for this examination. Let's begin the questions. Which Indian city is the capital of two state? You know already two state capital. So Chandigarh, which is capital of Haryana and plus capital of Punjab also. So that this is very easy question as we can guess. Next question, which state Nanda Devi is in? Means Nanda Devi is located in which state? So that is in Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is in Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is the wife of god Shiva, and Nanda Devi is a Himalaya range location. It is worshipped in Uttarakhand. People of Uttarakhand used to worship Nanda Devi. Next question, how many states and union territories are there in India? So there are 28 states and 8 union territories. After the bifurcation of J&K, that is, after that two extra union territories made, that is Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, and one state got reduced and it goes 28 states and 8 union territories. Next question is, in which year planning commission was established in India? Then planning commission was established in India in 1950 and it was established by Jawaharlal Nehru. Now it is known as Niti Aayog with effect from 1st January 2015. Niti Aayog replaced the planning commission and it was replaced on 1st January 2015. Next question is, which is the largest river without delta in India? So without delta, Narmada, Tapi and Periyar don't make delta, and rest of the river used to make delta. So that Narmada, Tapi and Periyar used to make estuary. So that answer will be Narmada. Next question is, Dakkan Pass is located between. Where Dakkan Pass is located in? The Dakkan Pass is located between South and Little Andaman. Right answer is South and Little Andaman. Next question is, which is the place of highest rainfall in India? Highest rainfall in India used to happen in Mawsynram. And next question is, which is in Meghalaya. Next question, Meghalaya state of India. And next question is, Vijay Ghat is a memorial of which leader? Which national leader? So then Vijay Ghat is the memorial of Lal Bahadur Shastri. And it was given name Vijay Ghat because of Lal Bahadur Shastri led India against Pakistan in 1965 war. Indian Pakistani war in 1965. Next question is, how many Indian languages have been recognized by Indian Constitution? So then 22 languages have been recognized by Indian Constitution. And next question is, who was the first education minister of India? First education minister of India was Maulana Azad. Next question is, which is the smallest country in the world? Spelling is mistaken here. World smallest country is Vatican City. Next is, and you know, as per area, the world largest country is Russia. Next question is, how many members are there in NATO? Then as of now there are 30 members in NATO. NATO full form is National Atla- North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which is in a intergovernmental organization of 30 states of North America and European Union. Next question is Damco Port was given access to Indian Navy by which country? Damco Port, which is in Oman, and Oman give access to Indian Navy for military purposes, and by giving this access, Oman also get military equipments and other resources from India, and India also used to import and export various kinds of things. Next question is which of the following country host a UN peacekeeping mission in its soil? Which of the following country hosts a UN peacekeeping mission in its soil? That is Nepal. Nepal hosts UN peacekeeping mission in its soil. Next question is Dead Sea is located in which country? Dead Sea is located between which country? That is located between Jordan and Israel. Next question is which country gifted a Statue of Liberty to USA? The Statue of Liberty was gifted to USA by French people during American Revolution, and it is known as universal symbol of freedom and liberty and democracy. Next question is which is the largest ocean in the world? As you know, very simple, largest ocean in the world is Indian Pacific Ocean. If you have not watched the previous videos, you must watch the previous year solution, because most of the question in ACC examination used to come from previous year question papers, and I recently appeared in this series 124 and had cleared this same paper with ranking in the merit 1455. Next question, Reunion Island belongs to which country? Reunion Island belongs to which country? It belongs to France. Next question is which country has the highest reserves of oil? As we see on the world, Saudi Arabia, but Venezuela is the first leading country which has the highest reserve of oil. Thereafter comes Saudi Arabia, thereafter comes Canada. Next question is which of the following countries not part of G8 group of nations? Firstly, we should know that what is G8 group of nations. It is a group 8 countries. It is a group of 8 countries which is most industrialized nation, and Italy is also part of G8. Canada is part of G8. Germany is part of G8. Australia is not part of G8 group of nation. Next question is the device which is used to carry digital data on analog lines is called. The answer is modem. That is called modulator and demodulator, which used to carry digital data to analog lines to transmit data and communication as well. Next question is BOS operating system was developed by. BOS was developed by BOS. Let's know BOS full form. BOS full form is Bharatiya Operating System Solution, that which is developed by CDAC. CDAC full form is Center for Developing of Advanced Computing, that is in India. Next question is and BOS is an Indian operating system. Its interface is quite implicated, but it's good for the security of the country. And next question is quantum computing uses. Quantum computing used to use qubit, that is a memory size. Next question is human beings are referred to as Homo sapiens. Which device is called a Silico sapiens? As human beings are known as Homo sapiens in itself, scientific name. So Silicosapiens robots are called Silicosapiens. Next question is, a set of overlapping division in the memory are called. A set of overlapping divisions in the memory are called partition. Right answer is partition. Next question is operating system. As we know very simply, operating system is called system software. We know operating system as system software. Next question is, which of the following is not a cyber crime? Spoofing is to imitate someone data or content, or exaggerating in other views in other areas. That is called spoofing. It is a cyber crime. Next question is phishing. Phishing means you are being called by a fraudulent and asking to induce your various credibilities like credit card passwords and other thing. That is called phishing. And cyber staking is someone is sending you threatening mail to kill you or something else. That comes in cyber stalking. And online gaming is a normal thing which is not a cyber crime. Then answer will be delta. Next question is, which of the following is used to shift process so that they are contagious and all free memory is in one block? That is known as fragmentation. Fragmentation is a process in which it used to shift contagious memory block to one block. Next question is Oracle. What is Oracle? Oracle is a database management system like Microsoft MS Access, and it used to work like MS Access. Next and last question is, which of the following devices can be used to directly input printed text? This device, let's know the full form of this. OCR means optical character reader. OMCR is optical mark reader, which is OMR sheet we used to provide in various examination. Magnetic ink character reader used to read various bank checks, and that is in government organization and banks, used to utilize in banks and government organization. And OCR, optical character reader, which is a reader that can directly read the printed word, text or sentences. That is known as OCR, optical character reader. Yes friend, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and like the videos. Like the video, that gives me motivation to shoot more and more videos. I'm going to shoot more and more videos and of SSB also, what is the process, how we used to go, what, and various lecture GG topics, their discussion, many things is on the way to come. So that must subscribe this channel, and we will share various type of knowledge on this channel. Like the videos and hit the subscribe button, share with your friends so that they can also easily get this video and knowledge also about the ACC examination. I will request you to, before going to the examination or appearing in the examination, you must watch this video to memorize all the questions twice or thrice. That will become more helpful for you.